In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I got my desk setup looking this good, but let's start from the beginning. So here's the desk setup I've been using for the past 3 or 4 years now, and it was a Wayfair purchase, and it's lasted me a really long time. It's a particle board kind of desk covered in this wood finish veneer, but it's quite a big desk, 63 inches wide by 29 deep, and I was able to fit everything I needed in terms of a gaming setup. There was some limitations in terms of not having enough material to mount a mic stand to and things like that, but overall, as you can see, way big enough to fit a gaming desk setup and 2 monitors. And there's also this nice shelf in the back to do all my cable management, just kind of hide everything away and not have to worry about super nice, clean cable management. So overall, I mean, this desk was nice, but it took up a little bit too much space in my room. That's where this comes in. The full Ikea desk setup with the Alex set of drawers, the Anfallare bamboo top, the Signum cable management tray. All in all, this thing fits my room way better. It lets me downsize a little bit and still fit everything that I need. So here we have the Anfallare and Alex combo bundle deal on Ikea. And this is the exact option that I went with. So it's $224 and you get the brown black version of the Alex drawers and the legs to go along with that bamboo top. But you can also spend a little bit less, so $20 less, and get the white version with the white Alex drawers and the white legs with that same Anfallare bamboo top. Now this isn't the biggest desk, it's 55 inches by around 26 inches. And then with the Alex set of drawers, it measures in at right around like 28 to 29 inches tall. Overall, it's not the biggest desk, but you'll soon see you can definitely fit a pretty solid gaming setup or whatever kind of setup you're really looking for, productivity as well, on this size of a desk. So of course, I downsized from that 63-inch desk to this 55-inch one, and I feel like I still have plenty of room to do whatever I need on this desk setup. Now, I also paired the desk with the Signum cable management tray. And this is an awesome cable management tray. It's not the only option, this one at $20. I'm sure you could find some similar ones on Amazon or Best Buy or other places as well for a similar price, but this one works really, really well, and you're able to cable manage like a breeze underneath of the desk. Now, of course, you aren't limited to the brown black version of the Alex drawers or the white version of the Alex drawers along with the Anfallare top. It's just the combo deal. So you can still buy that top, that 55-inch top, for $100. It's a bamboo top sealed in lacquer, so there shouldn't be any scratches or any concern about that. It'll be nice and strong. And you can pair that with kind of anything. You could get the gray version of the Alex drawers and then get gray legs along with it. Or you could go with whatever base you're really looking for, whether it be 4 sets of legs or a lifting style desk along with this top. The possibilities are kind of endless. Now, although I really do like the Anfallare top, of course, there's a lot of people out there that swear by the Carlby top, and I think it is an awesome desktop or countertop, whatever you're going to use it for. It is a little bit pricier at $219, but it also is solid wood. It's that butcher block style. It looks super clean and really, really nice. But it also only comes in at the small size of 74 inches, which was just too big for my space. And I feel like the Anfallare version of the bamboo top definitely still gives a really, really nice aesthetic, similar to the Carlby. It's of course a different style of wood and different grain and all of that, but it looks really, really good and should still last a really, really long time without any issues. So this would have been a great option if it came in a smaller size, whether that be 60 inches or 55 inches. I would love to see this in a smaller version. And you could again pair it with an Alex set of drawers or legs or whatever and make a similar setup as what I went with. So overall, for $200 to $225, you're getting a really, really nice desk setup. And there really is like endless possibilities of what you can fit on the desk. So let's just jump into the finished product and show you guys the end result. And if I don't say so myself, the finished product honestly looks amazing. We have our dual 27-inch monitors, our NZXT H7 Flow desktop gaming PC, big enough for an XL mouse mat. I mean, overall, I have zero complaints with downsizing my desk. I can still fit everything I want. I even added an Elgato Wave low profile mic mount behind the middle 27-inch monitor. I even have my Mac Mini over on the left side of the desk as well. So like I fit everything even after losing almost 8 inches in width and probably another like 3 or 4 inches in depth. And with the decrease in size, there's just a lot more maneuverability inside of this room. No more kind of like bumping into the desk as I'm walking by. So overall, I couldn't be more ecstatic about this desk. If you're looking for something that can also maybe fit in a smaller space, or you just want to kind of downsize your desk setup a little bit, this is definitely a great option from Ikea. It comes in under like $250 all said and done. And it's plenty sturdy enough. There's plenty of storage in these Alex drawers, and you're never really gonna wear through this bamboo top. It's really sturdy, super solid, no complaints about the quality of this desk setup. So if you guys are looking for a similar setup, I'll have all the links down in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, if you like the look of the desk setup, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments about the setup process, make sure to leave those down below. If you haven't already, get subscribed to the channel, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.